Get comfortable, forget the stress, and enjoy a fresh collection of hilarious moments you never saw coming.
Jet to holiday.
Everything turned out fine, and she wasn't injured. The ride got wild, but luckily, she wasn't hurt.
He lost his footing on the ice, but luckily he wasn't hurt. One unsteady move sent her straight to the ground. It was a good thing they were all wearing life jackets.
That look on his face explains everything. She definitely didn't see that trick coming.
Whooping and giving a little, because everyone's nose riding the whole wave, so to show that.
She made a small mistake while practicing with the hoop.
2 and 3.
The groom handled the situation smoothly and kept his cool.
No puedo, yo soy el paparazzi.
Just look at the way she's dancing, you can tell she's...
She backed up without paying attention and ended up falling.
Thankfully, she's okay after that unexpected.
Here you go. Oh, I didn't want whipped cream.
Oh, sorry.
Her attempt to toss the trash didn't go as planned. She fell while pole dancing, but thankfully she wasn't hurt.
Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? We just hit 100K on Instagram.
What a relief to see that she's completely okay. She didn't expect the ground to be that slippery.
Kind of the leadership stuff that I'm doing.
That slip didn't go as planned, but thankfully she's okay. That railing gave up early, but thankfully...
She took an unexpected fall into the water, but thankfully she was completely fine.
I went for the jump over the sign and failed, but thankfully he... That watermelon broke open out of nowhere, but thankfully she's fine. She's fine.
The platform does change. There it was! No! Oh! Pulls himself up! What a save!
Looks like he decided that Flower Pot did not need to be there anymore.
It looks like this prank was the guy's idea. Don't worry, they're all wearing life jackets.
The move looked fun at first, but the pool had other plans for them.
Whoa, Lima.
Kid! Fucking hell, bro!
Stupid influence.
This is just a recreational activity. Does anyone else love this adorable little pup? Is he drunk or is he just seriously sleep deprived?
She lost her balance on the machine, but luckily she was okay.
Seeing her walk away unharmed is a huge relief. Seeing her walk away unharmed. His tongue seems to be stuck to the frozen pole. Thankfully, she's completely fine.
That slippery road caught him off guard, but luckily he was okay. One slippery step sent them both into the mud.
Really easy for her to flip. All she has to do is get her foot caught on the chain.
Fuck.
He put all his faith in the rope, and the rope let him down. Thankfully, she's completely okay.
That shot had plenty of power, just not much direction.
That might be the strangest workout technique we've seen today.
Go!
Relax, there's padding down below, so she's okay. uncomfortable? Forget the stress and enjoy a fresh collection of hilarious moments you never saw coming. Which moment made you laugh the hardest? Tell us in the comments and we'll catch you in the next video.